Hi guys, today we will talk about how to turn off this sign or know how you can do that on your Google Chrome app. So all you have to do, just go up here, you click here on this sign here in app, then it's going to show for you a list like this. And all you have to do now, to just click here on settings, then it's going to take here in this window, then you just click here on sync, and it's going to take here in this window, then you just go down here and you click here on Google activity controls here, and it's going to take you to next step here. And all you have to do now, so just go down here and you click here on say all activity controls, then it's going to show you, and you when you click you go down, when this when YouTube history show for you, and you come here to include the YouTube videos you share you watch, you click here on this sign or this color, and like you see now, it's going to show for all like this, and you click here on pause, and it's going to turn off video on your when you go back on your Google Chrome app like you see now. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.